dinner. I am using the air fryer. Let me put it in the air fryer. I hope you're able to see it. So here is our tomato, onion, and the veggies we are from collecting with chamba. This is the greens I'm frying right now. Let me turn on the gas. Add in some oil. I'll show you guys the chicken. Look at that. So it is ready. Let me take it out. I'll put another root. Vegetables is here already, been fried. I'll add in some salt with 1 Royco cube. That's enough. So here I'm frying some leftover rice. I'm using this. Closer. Mix well. So our rice is done. It's ready. I already garnished it. I'm serving it here. And I'm serving the greens here. Let us serve. Our chicken is still cooking. It's not yet done, but it's almost. That's the last one. We have our lentils. Let me warm it. Adding a little milk because I don't want it dilute. I want it a little thick. So the lentil is also ready. The rice is done. And the greens are also done. The chicken is done. I've covered it here. This is my potatoes that is cooking. Few more minutes and we are ready. Hello my friends. Our dinner is served. Karibuni sana. Welcome to eat with me, Afro Carol Kitchen. If you are new here, if you are my turning subscribers, thank you so much for liking my videos, subscribing, sharing, and leaving your comment. I promise this year I have to change how I do my things, but this is what I came out with today, or came up with. I have vegetables, have some lentil, chicken, some potato, which is chips, and some fried rice. That is what we're having for Sunday dinner. Have a good night, have a good evening, have a good morning. I would like to know where you're watching me from and what else would you want me to cook so that you can see. And also, I will learn from your recipes. Sign out. We're signing out now. Ciao, Bella.